Upgrade your stock rear sway bar with this simple bolt-in replacement for the factory drop links. Left and right-handed threads allow for simple length adjustment to eliminate sway bar preload. Tarett drop links are correctly sized, precision Teflon-lined rod ends for smooth and quiet operation, long life, and high reliability. The kit replaces the factory-compliant plastic drop links that deflect under loading and quickly wear out. There will be no wear and rattling problems with these like seen in other designs due to undersized or low-quality rod ends. Stainless steel spacers allow for corrosion-resistant and proper alignment for superior bind-free operation. These links precisely connect the sway bar for improved feedback and sway bar response. Begin by removing the factory drop links, green arrows, from the sway bar, red arrow. Use a T30 Torx to prevent the threaded link from turning and a 16mm wrench to remove the old nut. Do this for both ends of the link and remove the link. Loosen but do not remove the sway bar or stabilizer bar mounting bolts. They're 13mm each, indicated by the red arrows. Make sure to clean the mounting area well, red arrow, and remove any rust or corrosion. The Tarett stainless steel spacers allow for corrosion resistance and proper alignment for superior bind-free operation. Do not put any type of tape or Loctite on the threads when installing. With the car on flat ground, you can adjust out preload by adjusting the drop link length on one side. The front wheels need to be pointed straight ahead. With the locking nuts loose, rotate the link in either direction to make the drop link shorter or longer. If you rotate the wrong direction, the preload will increase and it will get harder to rotate the link. Rotating the correct direction will make it easier to turn. At the point of no preload, you will feel the link be completely loose. The next step is to phase the rod ends so they don't bind. You can do this with the car off the ground and the wheels off for better access. Be careful not to rotate the links much and throw off your preload. The back is easy, requiring that the rod ends be relatively parallel to each other. Now tighten the locking nuts on each link. Check for binding or contact with all the different sway bars on the market, as there is no one setup configuration that works for all cases. The link to the sway bar connection may need to be on the inner side of the bar for some brands and on the outer side for others, but if you're running factory sway bar, it's a direct position replacement from the factory drop links. Any contact or binding will cause unwanted noise and possible damage to the links. Make whatever adjustments are necessary. The C4 sway bar and struts will have more possible variations and will take more time to set up properly. Torque all of the hardware to 50 Nm or 37 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.